can be a personal matter for the entire stay. Do you have any luggage, sir?
Yes.
May I carry your luggage? This way to the receptionist, sir. So, hi sir, Zelda, may I have the reservation for please? Just sign here, sir.
This is your key card.
This is your key card, sir. Your room is 305 located at the third floor, sir. This way to the elevator, sir. May I have your key card, sir? We go in first, sir. Welcome to your room, sir, and your key card, sir. If you can put your key card here, and all the electronics will automatically turn on. And here, sir, as you can see, your bed, you have a king size bed and one air conditioner and makeup table and a shelf and 54 inches TV with 50 channels. And here you have a table with telephone, and right here, sir, I forgot to mention to you, you have your closet with a safe, and here you can hang your clothes in here, sir, as you can see. And let's go to the bathroom, sir. Here, sir, you have your bathtub, and you have your toilet and a sink with a first aid box, and that's all, sir. Let's go here, sir. And your telephone, sir, just press 1 if you need housekeeping, press 2 if you need a receptionist, and press 3 if you need a restaurant. May I unpack your luggage, sir?
No, it's okay.
Okay, sir, that's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.